Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. A couple weeks ago, my friend was saying to me, "You need a different background," and I said, "Why? Don't you like my background?" And he didn't say much, so I'm guessing he doesn't like my beautiful background. But I'm going to see if we can do a budget green screen. So I went to a cheap shop and got a cheap green sheet, which is fairly green, and we're gonna iron this out, put it up on the wall, and see if we can make a budget green screen. So I'm gonna iron this out and we'll see how it works. Okay, so now I have the sheet hung up. The ironing didn't go very well, so I threw it in the dryer. Didn't really take care of all the wrinkles either. I didn't have an ironing board, so it is what it is for now. I think it would look better if you could get it ironed right flat. Plus, I didn't really have enough room to hang it, so I couldn't pull it tight. So I think I'm going to get into a little bit of a problem right here. Plus, my lighting, I don't have a hair light, so you can see the shadow behind my hand. If I come a little bit closer, it might make the shadow go away. We'll see what it's like, and then if it doesn't work very good like that, I'm going to have to set up a hair light, but that'll probably be another day. So let's give it a shot. So I'm just going to put a still picture in the background right now. We're going to call this background 1. You can tell me in the comments below which background you like better. Now we're going to do some live backgrounds, and we'll call this one background 2. Move my hands around a little bit, and we'll do background 3. I have no clue what it's going to look like. And now, why not? We'll throw in another one, and we'll call this one background 4. So now I got to do the video editing to try and put the background in and see what it looks like myself. So when you do this, I use Power Director, and I'm going to use chroma key. So what you want to do is your main video is you're going to put, your main video is going to be your layer. So your main video on the Power Director is going to be your background, and then you'll put a layer in and then select chroma key to take out the green background, and this is what you get. Okay, so I tried to tweak the sheet a little bit, stretch it out a little bit more. It doesn't really work because of my soundproofing that I have in the wall and on the roof, I should say. Got some different things going on here that I can't quite get the sheet to fit perfectly. Do I think that this is attainable with actually just using a green sheet? Absolutely. From what I saw in the first video, I know we had lots of distortion going on here that it wasn't taking out the screen, and there was a little bit on this side here. Now I think I probably have this side cleaned up quite a bit, and this side here might still have just a little tiny bit, and there was some that was showing in here. Otherwise, I do believe it is a very feasible thing to do to make a green screen out of a green sheet. Lighting is going to play a big factor in this. Also, the position of the camera, the distance of the camera. So right now I'm in pretty cramped quarters. I need to move my camera back, get farther away from the wall. That's going to lessen the shadow on the wall. Throwing a hair light in the back will totally eliminate the shadow if the screen is completely pulled tight. But I'm happy for now. I got a little bit of tweaking to do, and hopefully I get the wrinkles ironed out of this before my next video. And it's going to take some major reconstruction of what I got going on down here. So hopefully I get that done. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and have a great day.